Okay, let's do this once again. Okay, so it's currently the 23rd, right? Yes, today is the 23rd of February. It's currently 10 to 7 here in Budapest, which means that in London it's currently 6 a.m. This is almost like a problem here, which is like if I wake up at 5, for London to open, it still takes like 4 hours. So I have way too much thinking to do. Well, not way too much thinking, it's way too much time. So I don't bang my head against the wall if I sleep a little bit more. It's perfectly fine. So for today, I want to finish gathering data on EU. I'm going to do a chest day in the gym. I'm going to watch some trade recaps. I'm going to meditate, and I'm going to finish reading one book. So I want to bring you along. I don't know why these always happen on Wednesday, but I also need to write down that we have the live stream today, which if you haven't been watching, come and watch it. It's nice. Some of you may have seen the video where I say that I have a problem, and it's basically based on discipline, but make sure to check it out because you're going to have a little bit of more details on how I'm going to go about this day. So I'm going to do my forecast this morning, first thing right now. So I'm just going to eat breakfast and then I'm going to do that. My phone is in my bed. That's what I've been doing, and that's what makes it kind of easy at the same time. If my phone is in my bed, I don't have any urge to check it. But yeah, I'm just going to have some breakfast and then I'm going to jump into the daily forecast. So come along, I'm going to do the forecast and then we'll catch up a little bit. Okay, so let me just give you a quick run through. Like, the market has been very corrective for Gorilla, but let's look at what we might have for today. Okay, for EU, the price has been very range bound. I haven't taken trades in these last weeks simply because, well, this one, I personally didn't like the fact that it went way too much to the inside bar, and I don't like these like very, very deep pullbacks. And then we impulsed up and we were just ranging. This whole week we just ranged. I did not enter in this trade right here, which could have been a discretionless bomb, but again, I know that some of you entered here, I know that some of you entered here, and it's great to see like each one trades their own style. And again, so from this week, very corrective the whole time, no trades for myself. And now it's the same thing here, like we are having what I said I don't like here, which is we have the impulse up, and then we are just ranging down. So this to me can easily keep just ranging and break the low. So since we have that, like I'm not way too interested on anything in this range in EU. For EJ, it's a little bit different. So EJ has also been ranging a lot, yes. No trades here for myself personally. Like in February, I haven't taken any trades on EJ because we had this big impulse up which gave me no trades, and then it was just ranging price action. After a solid impulse up, you can expect some ranging price action. So no entries for myself. And then we come into this type of price action, which is what? It's a range bound price action. So we break the low, we retrace it, we start breaking to the highs, retracing, not showing any momentum or any loss in momentum to either side. For Aussie US dollar, I have only entered in one trade so far in this month because again, the rest has been corrective. You see, corrective, ascending corrective, so it kind of gave me an entry and then just corrective all the way through. But right now, we're approaching this zone where we might start having some momentum. Who knows, maybe we'll come up here. So if we come up here, this would be interesting. We're at this zone right here, which is really nice. So if we start having some solid impulses down, I will definitely be looking for entries. The best thing would be if we break this high, moving the low to here, and then we have the nice impulse down. Like this would be picture perfect for myself. So we'll see how this develops for today. And then Aussie Japanese yen, it looks worse than AU. So again, corrective price action. I could have entered here, yes, just like AU, but it's AJ is a little bit messier than EU, so I'm always a little bit more careful. Then we have this impulse down, like very range bound price action afterwards, and this to me is currently like within range bound price action. Like right here, you have this zone, which is nice, but I will probably want to see a break above this zone and then an impulse down. This would be good to myself because it would mean that, okay, we've grabbed the liquidity that is above here and then we started to move. Like that would be good for myself. So I'm excited to see how this day develops. Right now, I'm going to be gathering some data on EU, which is probably going to take me like 2 hours or something. Who knows? I'll let you know. And yeah, that's it. It's currently almost 8 a.m. here. So the next time I report, it's going to be after I finish the EU data gathering. So yeah, I'm going to enter into the zone. I appreciate everyone that is here. Okay, so it's currently 10 a.m. here. I haven't finished everything, but I'm not very focused and I got something to eat basically, and right now I feel like meditating, so I'm going to meditate at least 5 minutes. But before that, let's jump onto the charts. I'll show you some development of the price action. Okay, so EU is indeed retracing a little bit, but we'll see if this wants to still keep moving up. With EJ, it broke the low and then it came here, so nothing for me to take here, and well, more range bound price action on EJ. On AU and AJ, that's what something similar of what I'm forecasting is happening. Now AU, this actually might give us a possible long entry, so we'll see if this is actually developing or not. Now, because of the overall price action, I'm still more biased to go short than I am to go long, but we'll see how price develops. If this starts like ranging a little bit and it gives me a combo to this area, then I'll take it long. But I will be a little bit more careful. I'm not going to take any type of setup here. It needs to fit my criteria. AJ, as I said, so it just broke this high. Now, if we start impulsing down, this was a grab of the liquidity that was here, and then we start moving down. That's when I would be interested in entering. So right now, I'm going to be meditating at least 5 minutes. I can show you, like, I've been meditating without a timer, and that has really helped me, which is great. One thing that I have been using instead of using a timer is this. I just put like meditation in Spotify, and this is exactly what came up. I don't know the science behind this, so don't ask me. I just go by the name. So if I feel like wanting positive energy or remove negative energy, these are normally the ones that I use. So I'm going to put the positive energy one. I'm going to leave it at 120. So I'm going to skip this back to 120 and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just done 10 minutes. So yeah, that's basically it. Now I'm going to get back to trading. I'm going to finish the data gathering and then we'll see what I'm going to do. Goddamn, it is done. Dude, my God. This was like, it was like 2 months of data. And it took me days to get this finished. Goddamn. And now you might be saying, oh, but why does it take so long? And it's because just looking at some things on the lower time frame. But goddamn, like this took a long time. But I think it's going to be worth it. Update on the market. It's still very similar. It's currently 11 a.m. here. So it took me 3 hours with a little bit of procrastination in the middle to do 1.5 weeks of data gathering, which will be worth it in the future, but now like it takes a long time, but it is what it is. The market is very still range bound. AU seems to be running. I can show you. AU is still running. AJ is still running. So EU it's kind of running, and EJ is still range bound. So yeah, there's nothing much happening right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing some chicken, because since now I'm trying to stop my habit of snacking, but I still have I'm still hungry throughout the day, and I want to eat my I want to reach my macronutrients, and I knew that I wasn't eating enough protein, so my snacks right now are going to be chicken. So I'm going to be doing some chicken, checking the charts obviously, and yeah, like the hardest part of my work for today has been done. Oh, I still need to watch the recaps. Okay, so I'm going to do the food, and then I'm going to watch some trade recaps. So yeah, that's it. Dude, once again, I completely forgot that I was making food. Completely forgot. And it's ready. Dude, this is ridiculous. Oh my god. I think I was at the computer for half an hour probably. Let me check what time it is. So, it took me 30 minutes to do half a kilogram of chicken. Does it make sense? No. But let's get back to work. I'm going to watch some trade recaps. Yeah, now that the food is finished, I'll just watch the trade recaps. So right now, I'm about to eat lunch. I'm going to watch a video or two, and then I'm going to the coffee shop, which is going to be nice. I feel like snacking, and so I'm going home, and then I'm going to the gym. Oh my god, yeah, AU is shaping up kind of as we wanted, so I'm excited to possibly enter in AU. So I'm going to put those AU, like this is the interesting one for myself, like impulse up, break the high, and now solid impulse down. So if we close the candle like this, I will be setting an entry, so something like probably a 15, just to be a little bit more conservative. Was I not showing? Maybe. So if we finish a little bit more impulsive, because we still have 45 minutes to go, that's something that I will be careful about. We still have 45 minutes to go, so if it just stays here, it means that on the lower time frames it was ranging a lot, and so I want to see a little bit of a bigger impulse, and then I will enter short right there. Now AJ is reacting actually out of this basically supply zone, and we tapped it, and now we are impulsing down. So I'm also very interested in AJ, so I'm interested in these two. We'll see how they develop. Okay, so I'm getting ready for the gym. So my alarm is set on my phone. I will show you the charts. The momentum, you still have a lot of momentum up, but this was negated like very quickly. So if the candle is at least full, I'll take the trade. And with Aussie Japanese yen, it's going to be the same thing. If the candle is full, I will take the trade, or it just has a small wick. But yeah, we'll see. So I'm going to go to the gym, and then I will update you on the positions and if I enter. What's up, my dudes? So I have just come from the gym. It was a good workout, like with a couple of friends. Right now we are going to jump into a live stream with Quiche, which I hope you're there. And if you were there, let me know in the comment section. I'm energized. I don't know if you saw. I've been tagged in on Aussie US dollar, and I've been tagged in on Aussie Japanese yen. So let's see what these trades do. Why did I not show it on the computer? Let's jump onto the computer, get ready for the live stream, bring Keish on, and yeah, that's it. Happy with those two trades. Let's see how they play out. Whether they're a win, whether they're a loss, perfectly fine. We move on. This is something that I think more of us should think about, which is the fact that if it's a win, if it's a loss, it's just probabilities playing out. You're not a genius if you took a win, and if you stick to the trading plan, you are not a loser if you took a loss. It's perfectly fine. Both are perfectly fine. Before I connect the camera, do you want to say hello to the vlog? I'm filming. Oh, they can't hear. Just wave hello. He's saying hey. Fuck. Okay, the audio now is not that good, and this is not even on autofocus. But fuck, I need a microphone. Hey, this is just a test because this microphone sometimes doesn't want to do a good job. Gentlemen, okay. Oh my god, we started the stream. The last time we talked, it was 6:30 and it's currently 9:10. Goddamn, like the stream was 1.5 hours and then I still talked a little bit with Keish. Then I went to do my dinner, which I can show you, and then I can show you the chart. So dinner right here. I'm not gonna eat you. I'm not gonna eat you. Fuck you. Fuck you. 20% sugar. Fuck you. So, and the charts, I can show you the charts. Currently, I have, I'm running around 2.43% on Aussie Japanese yen, and I've also reduced risk on Aussie US dollar, currently running 1.33%. So trades are running basically almost at break even, like minus 0.2% risk, which is completely fine to myself. All the rest doesn't look like much, but it seems like this might be almost the end. So it's currently 9:10. I'm going to eat. I'm going to watch maybe a video or two because I like watching videos. I love watching YouTube videos, you know? I achieved everything today, so I'm going to reward myself. This is the end. It's about time. It's currently like 10 p.m. Okay, it's 10:15. Thank you all for being here, man. I appreciate all of you. Today, I know that you guys like when I show the charts. That's why today I did it a little bit more. So, you better leave a like and put this emoji in the comments if you're still watching. I'll be watching the comments. If you don't comment it, I'll be pissed off. I tried to make this as entertaining as possible. You better watch it. But yeah, no. Either way, thank you all for being here. I really love you all. I appreciate you being here and seeing what a day in my life is like. Yeah, I love you all. I wish you all the success in the world, and we'll see us next week. Peace.